What's up, YouTube? We back at it again. Today's gonna be a quick, short, easy video. We're finally gonna be on the outside of my car, and today we're gonna be installing my Trufiber carbon fiber mud flaps. Let's get these bad boys opened up and installed on the car.
This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
Once again, we got one of these Trufiber cards. Another lanyard, and the man of the hour. Let's get these bad boys open. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand, so this might get kind of ugly. Hold on. Bad boys open. Hold on. Alright, there goes one. And there goes the other. Next time you see these bad boys, they'll be on the car. Alright, to get the stock ones off, it's not that hard. You got a screw here, a screw here, and a screw here. I don't even know if you can see it. And a little clip. Take the 3 screws off. Here for you to take the tires off. But like I said, I'm just lazy. So I'd rather spend an hour doing it this way than take the tire off. Alright, once you get the screws out, there's a little clip right here. What you want to do is push in toward the car, then pop off. Difference. This is the carbon fiber one. This is the stock one. It's crazy, this one's so much bigger, but man, it's so light compared to this right here. So what you want to do now is take this clip off. Does it come off? Yeah. Take this clip off and then put it on your new one. A pair of pliers and squeeze it a little bit, because this plastic is a lot thicker than the carbon fiber. So get you some pliers and squeeze it a little, so make it a little tighter. Alright, once you got the clip back in, you want to do this, put it in the same way you took it out. Put it in, then slide it back. Then once you slide it on, put the screws in. Secure, tighten down. There you have the driver's side. On the other side. Slide the clip in and out. Then take the clip out of here and put it in here. Clip, put it in there. Squeeze the clip a little bit more. Put the screws back in. Fiber mud flaps, passenger side and driver side. Damn, they're too pretty to even be mud flaps. You don't want to even get no mud on them. I have a feeling they're going to get scratched up real easy though. Oh no, hopefully not. Alright, there you have it, my Trufiber carbon fiber mud flaps. Real easy installation. You could take the old one off, you could put the new one on. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know what to do. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And don't drink and drive. Until next time, peace.